on the table.
No burger on the table. Are you put burger on?
Spell it!
Burger. B-R.
You know your ear, Shawna. I stop, please.
What's up, guys? What's poppin'? What's not stopping? Welcome back to the channel. Hi.
What?
Your lip dry. Bad. Your lip dry bad. Go put on lipstick or something. Go put on some eyeliner or something. Your lip a strip. What's up, guys? What's poppin'? What's not stopping? Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
It's your girl Abby.
It's your girl Shawna,
And we're sisters.
So today, come up. Today, guys, we're gonna do words Jamaicans mispronounce. But all we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little twist on it. Okay, you know we're idiots already. But before we jump in the video, guys,
Y'all wanna eat that, not me. Anyways,
before we jump in the video, guys, oh! Bug.
I cannot take no bug bite or no what sting today. Sorry.
Before we jump in the video, guys, most of you who know Abby. Abby, I'm a big sister. One of my big sisters. I'm a second oldest. Oldest. Oldest, because Kimondo will be the eldest because she's older.
Yeah.
Second oldest sister, guys. So this is AJ mother. For someone who know Abby, I push me on the camera. Go over. For someone who know her already, this is Abby. And this is Shawna, for who don't know me. But before we jump in the video, guys, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. Turn on your post notifications. Every time I post a video, you can be the first to be notified. And make we just do that real quick. So, you ready?
Yeah.
So, but all we're going to do this, guys, we're going to put on a twist on it, like I say. We're going to put on a twist. So, like, I'm going to say the correct word, the English. Me, I'm going to say the pattern. But we're going to kind of do it like spelling bee type stuff.
Yeah.
So, you ready for that little challenge, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna kind of like a little spelling bee. So let's just do that, guys. One more thing I want to do for me, guys. Go over to M&M for life, subscribe to their YouTube channel, guys. Come and say hashtag Team Shawna sending you, and leave a like on them video. Remember to tell them say I'm me sending you. So do that for me real quick and come back. What is the first word?
The first word is middle.
Can you put it in a sentence, please?
Split in the middle.
Miggle. Miggle. M-I-G-G-L-E. Miggle.
Yeah.
And that's not the part one miggle.
But why am I middle and not middle?
Because you come from Jamaica, you put the G in it, you get miggle.
That sounds weird.
You weird. Miggle.
Water.
Water. Can you put it in a sentence, please?
Want some water to drink? No. Can I have some water, please?
Say it again.
Can I have some water, please?
Water. W-A-T-A. Water.
Water with
wow! You retarded, you know, Abby?
$50.
$50. $50.
Forehead.
Forehead.
Salute. Forehead.
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 Feet. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet.
Or F-I-T-I.
Feet.
Noodle.
Noogle. Noogle. Rami noogle.
Spell noodle.
Noogle.
Spell it.
N-O-O-G-L-E.
Wrong. It's L-O-G-G-L-E.
Noogle.
Oil.
Aisle.
Spell it.
Aisle. H-I-L-E. Aisle.
Needle.
Needle.
Spell it.
Needle. Can you put it in a sentence, please?
I want the needle and thread.
They can go for needle and thread yourself. But then I put in a sentence you want to send me out. Neagle. N-I-G-G-L-E. Neagle.
Wrong. K-N-E-E.
Oh, like your knee.
Girl, bye.
Neagle, like your knee.
Girl, bye. Pampers.
Okay, bye.
Come.
Abby, may I pull up my brick? I'll slap you with that
Excuse
something
me.
now.
Come.
Come where we are, come go.
Pampers.
Pampers.
My name is a pamper. It's a pampers.
Pampers.
Was.
Duck. Duck.
You know your ear, Shawna.
Abby, stop, please. You think that's funny?
Pampers.
Abby, that's not funny. Let me regroup.
Woo!
What's the truth?
Woo!
Where y'all killing wasp for?
It wasn't no wasp.
Not kill no wasp over here, because we not
It's
gonna
not no wasp, it's a stinking bug.
So you stink up the place.
Pampers. You haven't spelled pampers.
Pampers. Pampers. P-A-M-P-A-S. S.
I want S monkey.
S again. Pampers. Booty.
Burger.
Burger. King.
Spell it.
Burger. B. Burger. Can I put it in a sentence, please?
I long to eat some burger.
We know that already, Abby. Put it in a real sentence, please.
There's a burger on the table.
No burger, no. Are you put burger on?
Spell it!
Burger. B-R.
Jesus!
I'm nervous.
Jesus God! Spell it!
It. I-T.
No, maybe I have to slap you out of focus now. Spell it!
Alright, you know, feel for me say I'm nervous. Don't know. See, I make me a shake.
Yes, here go.
I'm nervous. I make me nervous. Burger. B-U-R-G-A. Burger.
Wrong. B-A-R-G-A.
What?
Burger.
Oh. Sorry.
KFC.
KFC.
R.
KC.
Spell.
High school. College.
Spell.
Spell. S.
I
K-
don't know say that's some vulgar.
I know not secret, but KFC. Can you put it in a sentence, please?
You love KFC.
That's a lie. But KFC. KFC. KFC.
Shawna.
KFC. K-A-P-E. C-A-P-E.
K-A-P-E and capital C.
KFC. KFC.
Alright. Next one. Mother.
Muma.
Spell,
Muma.
spell it.
Ma.
Moo. Spell it.
You spell it, Abby.
Spell it.
Mummer. Mumma.
Mama.
Oh, sorry. Muma. M-U-M-A. Muma.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Spell it.
Can you put it in a sentence?
Today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. C-H-O-O-S-E-D-A-Y.
No. D-E-H. Tuesday.
Oh, like a day with the man around. Oh, shit. I forgot. Tuesday. Next question, please.
What's my day with?
Sorry, Abby, I can make everybody hear this. Tuesday. Next question.
Mosquito.
Mosquito. Madida.
Spell Madida.
Madida. Nobody not say Madida, Abby.
Well, when I was small, I couldn't say Mosquito, Madida, and Macaulay. Mosquito is so far from Madida. No, how can I get it
Because you're
from?
an idiot, Abby.
Shut up! Spell Mosquito.
Mosquito. M-A-S-K-I-T-A. Mosquito.
Gay man. Batman.
A fish.
Spell it.
Fish.
Batman.
No, you cannot say that online. Well, go on.
Spell Batman.
A fish, you have to say.
Spell the Batman.
Okay. Batman. Batman.
Spell fish then. I itch.
Sprat. Snapper.
Spell it.
Dapper.
Spell.
S-P-E-L-L. Spell.
Shawna. Shawna. Spell the fish.
Back to me, Abby.
Spell no.
F-I-S-H. Fish.
Keckle.
Kettle is the word.
Any which you want.
Kettle and keckle.
Spell.
The word is kettle, so say kettle.
Spell.
Say kettle now, you deaf?
Kettle. What? Do it. Since I can't spell it. Do it.
Do it.
Spell.
Make my tweet.
Hello.
Sorry, miss. Sorry, teacher. Do it. Do it. Can you put it in a sentence, please?
Do it yourself.
Do it, me I do it. And me I do it to make everybody see it. Do it. D-W-E-E-T.
Father.
Poopa.
Spell.
Poop. Poop. Per. Poop. Poo. Poop. 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 Next.
Spell it.
IT.
Spell pooper.
Father. Father.
Sister.
Sister.
Spell it.
IT.
Shawna.
S-I-S-I-S-S-T-Y. What? What on? I want to go a while ago.
S-I-S-S-T.
S-I-S-T-A.
Wait there. Where did spell a while ago? And a sister that's it.
I swear I think to go somewhere a while ago. Sorry, but that's
I
not
can't
speak.
spell something else.
But I speak French for a minute. Sorry, my bad. Sorry.
Slippers.
Slippers, like my breast, them slippers. What? I be stop
Spell
look for me now, I'm nervous.
Spell slippers now.
Slip. Lip. Slippers. 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 Slip. S-L-I-P-P-A-Z. Slippers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Spell.
Thank you. Can you put it in a sentence, please?
Thank you very much for lying to me.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so you can spell it like the tank on the back. Thank you.
Girl.
Shh. You're gonna make me nervous if you talk. Thank you. T-A-N-K-Q-U-E.
Shut up.
Thank you. T-A-N-Q-U-E.
T-A-N-Q-U-O.
Thank you.
Q.
Maybe Q.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's what I say. With the whole thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
I thank you, you say. Not thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I better you did say part of me say English. Come next. You finish?
Yeah.
So we're done? Well, guys, I guess that's at the end of the video.
Thank you. Next.
No. Alright, so here we are. Yeah, guys, that's at the end of the video. If you guys like that video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. Follow me on my Instagram at I am Shawna with 2 S, same as my TikTok. And that is the end of the video.